everyone, it's Ann here from AnnMakes. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have a Dollarama haul to share with you. Here's the bag that I bought today to do my shopping, and I just thought it was a really fun bag. It says Canada on it, and it's a bunch of animals doing selfies. And then here's my cat, one of my two cats showing up, of course. So that's the first thing I have to show you. It's not a big haul, not much crafty stuff, but I had an appointment today, and I went to get my booster shot, so there was a Dollarama nearby, and I stopped there. I got a new, I'm so excited, toilet brush with a container thingamajiggy, and these are $4.75. Not the cheapest thing at Dollarama, but yeah, needed to get that. Another item that I was in need of was some rubber gloves. So I got these Javix ones. They have different kinds and the prices vary, and I just wanted to pay the least, so I got the Javix ones at $1.50. I got a package of the foam wire ties that is sold in the gardening stuff by Schmidt. I do use these in the garden, but I do have other uses for them in the house. They're just great for tying stuff together. There's a wire inside the foam, and it's just quite handy. So got that. So $1.75, and you get 15 pieces in here, which is a very, very good price. Cat toys. Surprise, surprise. Some toothpaste. I got the Colgate Sensitive Whitening toothpaste. I think this was $3, three something. Can't remember. And the receipt is gone. Okay. Picked up these little fancy plastic forks. Before, we can't buy this kind of stuff anymore. These are really fun. $1.25, you get 48 of these little forks. These are great when we have like a platter of food at for a get-together, just a family get-together, and I don't want to use toothpicks. Some items you just can't use toothpicks with, so these are really, really fun for that. And I do try to gather them up and wash them after, so I don't throw them out, but a lot of them do get thrown out, so yeah, that's why I like to buy them for cheap. This is, I'm sure this is not a new item, but I saw them and I thought, oh, I have to get these. They're just thank you cards. There are a total of 10 thank you notes and envelopes in here. There's 5 of each design, and I just think these are really funny. They're snarky and funny. And this one says, thanks, I'm so happy my face hurts. And the other one is, thanks, you totally out-niced yourself. So, yeah. So I just thought it would be nice to have some fun little thank you cards, you know, to thank people. Sometimes I get like happy mail or friend mail from people, and I just thought I would send back a little thank you card for those occasions. So you send me some happy mail, I'll send you a card. Okay. Oh, garbage bags. This is not the most exciting haul I've ever done, but hey, I needed this. A couple items I picked up. I got this set. There's 2 gift bags in here for $2.50, and they're the same. But since they were 2 for $2.50, I made sure to get a package that had 2. They have this embossed foil on them, and I will be keeping 1 bag to use for a gift, and the other bag I'll be using here in my studio. And what I intend to do with this bag is to use it with my gel plate. I got the idea from somebody else who did this on her YouTube channel, Devin again, and I thought, I've seen those bags. I should do that. So what I'm intending to do is use one side for my gel printing, and then use the other side for the paper for another project. So I think I'm going to get my money's worth out of this. So I've found 3 different uses for these 2 bags. I got some Reese's Thins and some Reese's Pieces. Woo. I don't remember how much these were. They were around $3 or $3.50 each. This is my son's, one of his favorite chocolates, so I got that for him. I got a package of the Clorox wipes. These were $2.50 on the go. I already used them in the store. I went into the store. There was no more hand sanitizer. I had forgotten my hand sanitizer in the car and my wipes in the car, and I wasn't going to go back. So I bought a new pack that I didn't need because I already have some in the car. But like I said, I forgot them in the car, and I really wanted to wipe down the handlebar of the cart. It needed it. No more details. So I bought this. Oh goodness. Needed some batteries, some AA batteries. So until we go to Costco, these will do for now. So got some batteries, $1.25. And the last crafty things I have to show you are these natural wood planks. These are not new, but I had not seen them at my regular Dollarama. So I saw them there, and I knew I wanted some more of these. You get 4 pieces. Doesn't say how big they are. They are 5 inches by 6. 5 by 6 inches with rounded corners. There's 4 pieces in here. They're nice thinness for different kinds of projects. $1.25. And then finally, I wanted to get these wooden houses. And again, I blame Devin over Devin for Rex Art, Devin Rex for Art or something like that. Because she also used these on her jelly plate for printing. And I thought, what a great idea. So that is why I got these. I have no intention of building the little houses, although once they get paint on them, they'll probably be really, really cute. So these are $1.25 for each house. There were 4 different models at that store, so I got 1 of each, as you can see. And that's that for my Dollarama haul. Not a very big haul, but I wanted to share that with you nonetheless. Got some stuff for some more crafting. Like I said, jelly printing. I don't know when I'll get around to doing the gel print. I haven't done that in a very long time, but I have everything for it. And let me know in the comments if you'd ever like to see a video from me with the gel printing. I just haven't done it in so long. that, you know, it's just didn't cross my mind. So, yeah. Please let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you'd like to see from me. That would help me to pick some content. And if you like this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And click on the bell so you will be notified whenever I post new content. And yes, every trip I get cat toys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone, and stay crafty. Bye.